Hello, everybody. It's really good to have you all back to school. I hope everybody is doing their best to stay safe and healthy during this crazy time. And I'm really happy that we get to continue our journey learning together, no matter what format that might be. This is brand new to everyone, so don't feel afraid to reach out if you have questions or if you need anything. During this video, I'm going to walk you through our classroom so that you can find everything that you need. Because this platform is totally new to me and totally new to you, our classroom is going to evolve and improve as time goes on. Each week, I'm going to post a video just like this, explaining what you can expect for the week, along with any other important information or updates. All right, so the first thing that I want you to see when you get here is in posts, you're gonna see this welcome back message. This welcome back message has some of our norms that we're gonna keep when we make posts. So when you make a post, remember to be kind, be helpful, and be respectful. And when we keep these norms front of mind, we're gonna build a safe and powerful learning community for everybody. So once you see this post, go ahead and reply to this post by saying hello. All right, over here we have, these are our channels. Each week I'm gonna create a new channel. Inside our channel, you're gonna see this video. It's not gonna be in here yet because I haven't posted it yet, but you're gonna see, or I haven't posted it at the time that I'm making this video. But each week you're gonna see this video. You're gonna also see an agenda along with any other information that's pertinent to this week. So let's go ahead and open up our weekly agenda. So this agenda breaks down the week for you and shows you everything that you're going to be learning this week. So here you're going to see the topic that we're going to be learning, what we will do together, what you will do, and then also any extra practice that you can use and when you can reach out for extra help. In addition to office hours, you can always contact me with Remind or sending me a message. Here, when it says what you will do, these are the things that you need to make sure that you do each day. So let's go ahead and look at and let's see where we can find these assignments that it's talking about. So I'm going to close out of this and I'm going to go back to the general page. When I go back to the general page, notice I'm no longer in week one. This menu looks different when I'm in week one. When I'm in the general page, I see some options up here. I see files, I see assignments, and I see grades. Let's go into assignments to see where those assignments are. All right, so in these assignments, I see what was noted inside my weekly agenda. So let's go ahead and open one of these assignments and see what we see. In grade 5, module 5, lesson 1, we see some instructions. We're going to be watching a video and taking notes on a separate sheet of paper. For all of your assignments, you're going to be provided a video as well as a sheet of problems. If you don't have a printer at home, that's totally fine. If you do, you can print these problems on your printer. If you don't have a printer at home, you can take a blank piece of paper and copy the problems from the paper onto the blank piece of paper. Then you're going to watch the video and take notes on that separate sheet of paper. Then when you're done for this day, take a picture of your work and attach it to this assignment when you turn it in. So the way that you would do that is you would go to My Work, you would click Add Work, and then you would attach your picture there. If you have any questions about that, or if you're having trouble doing that, let me know and I can help you out. Next, there's always going to be a link for extra practice. If I click on this link, it takes me to a Khan Academy page where I can do some more practice. So here I can see that this shape has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 unit cubes. So I'm going to press 11 unit cubes, and I'm going to check my work, and I got it. So that's another place that you can go to for extra practice. All right. So when you have an assignment, make sure you read that assignment very carefully. The assignment instructions are going to tell you everything that you do. And sometimes the assignment instructions are going to be different on different days. So for instance, on lesson 2, in addition to having a video and a problem set, here you're not going to be sending me a picture of your work, but you're going to be completing an exit ticket and checking your work with an exemplar. Then of course you have your extra practice. Let's open up the exit ticket and see how that looks. All right, so here you can rate the lesson. You can say what the volume is of this figure, and then you submit it. Okay, so those are our assignments. And if you notice, all of these assignments are due on April 3rd. April 3rd is a Friday, and every week your assignments will be due on a Friday. If you want to do all of the assignments on Monday, you're more than welcome to, whenever you can. They just need to be done before Friday. Let's take a look under the Grades tab and see what that looks like. So when you submit, when you turn in an assignment, you're going to turn it in and I will review it. Then I'm going to give you a grade, and you'll be able to go to this page to see how many points you got. Right here it says blank out of 100 because these assignments haven't been turned in or graded yet. But once they have, then you'll see your grade right here. All right, let's see what's under Files. Under Files, you will see our classroom materials, weekly agendas, and our classroom rules. For classroom materials, right now I've posted the Grade 5 Module 5 student workbook. This has all of the worksheets, excuse me, all of the problems that I'm going to be posting each day. But if you don't want to keep on opening new documents each day, you can open up this one and it has everything for you. The next thing under Files is our weekly agendas. Oh, nope, I haven't put it in there yet. But eventually I will put in our weekly agendas here so that way you can see them all in one place. And then the last thing is our classroom rules. So just like always, use manners and be polite. Help others. Be kind to others. Be ready to learn every day. Look after our channel and follow instructions. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I look forward to learning with you during this time. Reach out if you have any questions. Have a good day.